Hello, welcome to T-Sport Bernau. Today I'm going to show you what tools we use at a race circuit. So basically we have already, you can see, airlines, so we can do tyre pressures, take the wheels off and everything. Then we have the Teng tool air gun. We know it's not the correct socket to use on an impact. I will order them when I get back to the UK, but that's my mistake, I forgot to order them. Then the actual workshop toolbox, if I can guess the code. Basically fabrication box and electrical box. So that's just some general sort of drills, angle grinders, all the storage for the discs and everything. And in the bottom, all the Teng tool air gun die grinders, sanders, finger sanders, saws. The quality of these tools compared to the stuff we were using before is chalk and cheese. These are unreal. They're like one of the best things we've ever invested in. And also obviously the vise, which is a lifesaver. Paper roll holder with a table. Then going to this side, we have tyre levers to mount them on. We also have all we call this the special tool drawer. So we have a tool for the back axle. Okay, Teng don't make this tool, but it saves our back when we're working and everything. But the air tools, and then we've got the big torque wrenches, which we use to torque the front axle up, rear axle up. Then big second spanner set, so we have another one further up. Then we have, this is like general maintenance and unbending of bumpers drawer. So we have a big adjustable. This we can set any width and obviously straight and flat metal with it. Also we use it as a spanner obviously. Then Stilsons, just in case something sticks. Then we have two trays here, which is general front brake disc tools, and we have two, one for each side, because when we change one disc we always change the second one. Then below it the big spanners for the rose joints, which are 36mm, so on that side they're all nicely stored away in there, and it all clicks in perfectly. Then this is like a continuation of the electrical drawer from that box, so we have the small screwdrivers, crimpers, rivet gun, and sort of other small things like the picks and lamp tester. Then this is where the real organisation comes from Teng, or starts with our sort of setup from Teng. So we have all the clamp screwdrivers, then circlip pliers, blah blah blah. You can see all that, I don't need to explain everything. Impact drawer and big socket drawer. So this drawer is probably the most used drawer that we sort of have in the box. As you can see, everything has its place. Okay, we've put some extra things in like this and this, but we make sure it's full. So after we finish working on the truck and there is a hole, we can say, right, there's something missing. It's either on the race truck or it's on the floor or it's somewhere else, but it's a danger if, say, that was to fall into the alternator belt. So this is the biggest selling point from our side for Teng tools, is it's like a shadow board. So old school engineers would always use shadow boards. So from this side, it's really it's worth its weight in gold. Also with the spanners, if there's anything missing, you know directly what you're looking for, and it also helps with morning Paul. It also helps with lost it now. What am I saying? So it also helps with job recollection. Is that a word? So basically, you say, right, I've just done the brake disc, or say there's a 17 missing and a 27 missing. Then you say normally them two tools are only for front brake disc, so you can look straight to the front, which is cool. And then top drawer is small stuff and pliers and screwdrivers. This is like the quick go-to drawer for everything else. Then we've got the pumps for brake cleaner, WD. And then when we go to the pit lane, we actually take a toolbox to the pit lane. So yesterday at Hungaroring we had a problem with the gearbox, and also with a filter a water filter for cooling the brake discs, and we sometimes really need tools. So this toolbox is actually full with some of the there are tools in here, but obviously we need to be able to take them to the pit lane. So we've got a Teng tool tire lever. This is for unbending stuff and trying to make everything straight again. Then sort of general work tools. So this sort of stuff is like our emergency toolbox that we sometimes use. Hopefully we don't use it, because that's when we have a problem. And then basically if we're like 3 or 4 guys working on the race truck in the evening also, and we have 3 or 4 big jobs on, we will actually start or take tools out of this toolbox to sort of keep everyone working and make it more efficient. And obviously everything is universal from this box to this box, so a 19mm spanner out of here will fit into the 2 spanner drawers in there, so you're not always going, this lives here or this one lives here. So that's why we standardized the full tool range to Teng tools. So yeah, and I have absolutely no complaints from the quality or the strength of the Teng tools, because we're not car racing here. Everything's big, heavy, strong stuff, and we often, I shouldn't really admit it to Teng tools, but we do double spanners up, and we hit spanners with hammers and to really either open stuff or to close stuff. Okay, we got some slogging rings now, but we never had them historically. And basically from the quality, we can come to a race circuit. There's not a Teng tool dealer 2 seconds down the road, so if something breaks, then we're really in trouble. So with the Teng tool stuff, the quality, we have the safety for the full race weekend with no problem. So thanks for watching. Hope that was interesting for you. So see you soon.